A community can unite with the God force for enactment of a divine plan. Building sacred space is the work of a community that shares an understanding of spirit. A common language unites people. Visionary art has been the language of the spirit uniting our diverse community around the world. Many of us recognize the imagery and ideas in visionary art because of our personal psychedelic or transcendent experiences. This is a new form of sacred art, reflecting personal epiphanies. When you're in visual communion with spirit, you enter a dialogue, a theologue that dispels feelings of separation from the world and heals deep emotional wounds, liberating creativity and revealing a higher perspective of connectedness. Visionary artists point to the psychic spaces, the luminous beings and thought forms seen in altered states of awareness. Perhaps the oldest subject of art, the spirit worlds, are beheld within the imagination of the seer, sometimes with astonishing clarity. William Blake called this aspect of our mind an eternal realm and declared if the doors of perception were cleansed, everything would appear as it is, infinite. Artworks that transmit mystic visionary reality and affirm transcendental truth are sacred and meant to be shared. Entheon Sanctuary of Visionary Art at CoSM will honor and preserve cultural artifacts pointing to the divine source created by artists from around the world. Thank you to the worldwide community for building sacred space with us at CoSM, uplifted by the light of the full moon.